Hello, everybody, and welcome to part 23 of restoring the Lisa Marie. It has been a long journey, I know, and we're coming up on 3 months of actively working. But being as it was in holidays. Good morning, Marshall.
You just use,
I'm just doing a update here on the van. Being it was the holiday time and all that, but it's been a lot of progress. Things are coming together very rapidly. As you can see, as we head into the inside of the coach, you'll see that there is now the dinette that we have worked very hard to build has now been installed in place, and this drops down to form a bed too. And with the density of the cushions that are going to be used with the dinette, there should not be an issue. The density of the foam is such you wouldn't even feel the table. The table's just made to just drop down there for sleeping. It's not for an everyday thing. It's just if you have kind of an urgent need to put somebody up for the night. It's not ideal, but it'll do the job, and it'll make it comfortable. You can see the dinette has been trimmed out. The converter box has been placed now, and that sits in there very nicely by design. And that still has to be secured, but the backing looks good. I believe that the color matching of the wood and the trim out with the existing Coachworks makes it very nice, and the task lighting works well. It as far as having a seat here, it has plenty of a big table here for sitting. It has the USB 12 volts and socket, 12 volt socket, cigarette lighter socket, as well as 120 volt service. You can plug in two things there. If you look below, the panel fit very nicely too. We did install the panel, have the trim on there, the finished detail on top. Also did some work to restore this rail on top, so that would look close to factory. We still have to put the thermostat to mount that up there for the rig. But the Lagoon table is a really nice feature. This is not permanently secured yet, but the Lagoon table is adjustable up and down. You can loosen that and raise the table. It's all the way down, sitting on the floor of the base now, and it also allows that to swing a little bit. If we were to, say, mount the table out here and cut off a little bit of the end here, because this was recovered out of a motorhome, out of a 40-year-old Winnebago. It's still in pretty good shape. If we cut a little bit, this Lagoon table's made to swing too, to get in and out. So the cushions will be next. This will probably have to be cut down, but the adjustable table makes it nice. If you needed a prep table at the kitchen or something like that, this is a great thing to have. So it's a major accomplishment. It was the biggest change out on the rig. It was the most engineering to remove the jackknife sofa and put this in. The flooring will go in nicely. It might be a coin floor, but it can be cut around here very easily. And then finally, the dinette can be secured down on top of whatever material it is. For the time being, just kind of sitting in here pending the final hook down. But I think that you'll agree it has turned out well. I've tightened up the bed frame in the back. It is getting to the point now of wanting to cut the two panels that will fit into that will create the bed. So I'm very happy that we have reached this point where things are coming together and giving a good appearance. Okay, thank you, everybody.